Hi, welcome to another video where we see another agentic application which can be an ideal solution for your SaaS application. So next couple of videos we'll see how we can control the access of LLM, because there are different types of LLM. Some are reasoning, some are good in coding, etc. So when you want to build an agentic application, you may want to have some control over the extent of reliance on a certain agentic model. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. That is, you decide the type of LLM to connect to dynamically, and also set the amount of thinking or switch on or switch off the thinking ability or the reasoning ability. In this video, what we are going to see is, we have all seen MCP, remote MCP, etc. So have you thought of having an MCP with AI access? So in this video, we'll see how we can have an AI-based tool attached to our main agent. And you can port this as an MCP tool as well. So a quick explanation. Here we have the agentic application and we have the main LLM for normal querying, and depending on the type of application, you may have multiple tools attached to it. These tools could be accessing some remote endpoint, or accessing database, or accessing web pages, etc. We have made over 50 videos on very nice agentic examples using different tools. But in this specific video, we are going to see how we can attach another LLM as a tool. Okay, so that is this video about. Okay, that is a tool acting as a reasoning mechanism. Okay, so we have the main LLM and we have a secondary LLM. So we will be using Agno's demo examples for it. The code is available in Agno repo itself. We will provide the link in the description. We will first see how it works. So the script is called OpenAI Reasoning Tools. Just Python and OpenAI Reasoning Tools.py. It is installing the packages in the environment, but I have already installed. That is why it is moving fast. See, write a report comparing NVIDIA and Tesla stocks. So here, if you see, it is calling several tools. Reasoning step 1, reasoning step 2, then reasoning step 3, and then it is giving the report. So if you see here, get company info for NVIDIA, then get company info for Tesla, then the current stock price for NVIDIA, current stock, all these are tool calls, and then get analyst recommendations for NVIDIA and Tesla. Then it is doing the thinking step. Okay, and then finally we have the report here. It looks like any other agent, right? We have had similar examples before, but the difference is, if you look at the code, very small code for demo, because these tiny snippets will come handy when you build your own agentic application. See here, this is our agent definition. Okay. Then we have the model. So normally, agent will only have the model specification plus tools. Those tools could be web search and other utility applications. In this case, we are providing a reasoning tool. That is, an LLM itself has been provided as a tool. Okay, so that is what I want to highlight, LLM tool. So this is another way of using multiple agents like a team, but here you have this agent acting as a tool. So can you think of applications? Give your valuable suggestions. So think of possible applications of such a tool where the tool itself is an LLM. So thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.